So what is CC in iPhone email? Let me explain it, and if you're new here, subscribe and we can get started. You might have noticed that when you're writing an email, like through the mail app from Apple or literally anyone else, you can get to the creation page, and when you are typing the message, you type in the name of the recipient, no problem, but then below we have the CC/BC, so you can expand it and you can add more people to these rows, which is interesting. And actually the CC stands for carbon copy, which means that the same email is going to be sent to this person at the top in the to field. This is the primary recipient, but then the CC is the carbon copy, which is like the other person attached to that email. So they both know about each other. If you're wondering about that, like if I add one person in here and one person in the CC, they know that they both received the same email, only that the first one is like the priority and the CC is like, someone else that should also know about it. So in practical terms, it's usually someone you just want to let know about it. Like, I don't know, in work environment, it might be some manager or colleague, which you also want to let them know about the email you are sending them. On the other hand, there's also the BCC, which is the blind carbon copy, and that refers to the same principle, only with the difference that nobody else really knows about that, right? So if instead I added the person to this field, it's going to make sure that the first person at the top thinks that the email only reached them, but then there's also a hidden copy sent to that other person, and that's kind of like a different feature, but it's pretty much the same principle. So that's what I wanted to explain. I hope that I was able to guide you through it. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.